This speaker is incredibly loud and delivers excellent sound quality. Using the mobile app, you can tune the audio exactly how you like it. This is the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 9, a premium portable Bluetooth speaker. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove the protective fabric grille and perform a maximum decibel test using a frequency sweep from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. If you're interested in a full teardown of what's inside, check out my previous video. But to remove this speaker mesh, you'll need some flat prying tools. You have to carefully pry open the grille. Be gentle so you don't damage the side finish. The grille is held to the housing by plastic pins, just like traditional hi-fi speaker grilles. And here's the beauty: a 4.7-inch woofer, an oval-shaped passive radiator with another passive radiator on the rear panel, and 3 20mm tweeters. Now, let's start the sweep tone test and check the decibel levels.